so happy to be outside today because it is such a beautiful day. And today I'm going to be repotting some of those scallions that Miss Gail sent to me, because when you see this pot, you'll see how big they have gotten, and I want to be able to get a lot of the scallions. So I need to put them in another bigger pot, kind of like divide them up, because I don't want these just to be for the onion tops, but I also want to be able to eat the scallions because I've never had those before. So I'm looking very, very forward to trying those. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So these are the scallions that, shallots, I should say, that Miss Gail gave me. So you see how big and bushy they are, which I love. I'm going to take some of these out of this pot, and I am going to put it in another pot that looks just like this. So what I'll do is I'll take the shallots that I want out of this pot. I'm gonna just lay them in this pot, and then we'll plant them together. So I'm gonna take the ones that are in the middle, because those are the ones that look like they need to be out. Hopefully I don't disturb and stop these from growing, because look at the roots on those. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? So I'll take that one and I'm going to replant it. And I'm trying to thin them out a little bit because I want these bad boys to grow, grow, grow. Look at this one. Look at the roots on this bad boy. So that'll be 2. So I'm trying to get them to where they'll all grow big and strong, and it won't be just so congested in here. Take this one here. So I can just pull them out. And they look like they're growing. Look at that. They're getting to be a really nice size. So I'm going to take that one. So that'll be 3. I could probably get one more. One that isn't so close together. That one looks good. Let's take one of these small ones. We'll take this baby one right here. Right here. Take that one. All right. Now I have a total of 4, and these are 1, 2, 3, 4. Should I take one more and have 5 in each? Yeah. Let's do that. Give this one some room to grow. All right. So we're going to have 5 bulbs in each pot. So see how I have thinned it out? And I'm just going to make sure I take these weeds out of here, because I want to make sure, and I'm going to fertilize these shallots today too, because I want them to grow, grow, grow. And then we're going to give these bad boys a haircut, because they are in need of a haircut. So see how nice those look? So we're going to take these, put them down here, and we're going to move this one over. And these are the ones we're going to be planting. So I'm going to just put these ones on the side, because these are the ones we're going to be planting, you guys. Look at that. Nice. I'm going to just lay them here, and I'm just going to dig a hole, and we're just going to put these shallots in there. Make sure I go down deep so they'll get a good, because these are some big roots on these. Look at that. So we're going to stick them deep in there, so they can grow, grow, grow. Not too deep, because I want the shallots to be on the top of the surface. Yeah. So they'll be able to grow. Because you want them to be able to be right under the surface, but I want the shallots to be seen so they can bulb up. Hopefully Rocky ain't somewhere listening, so he'll come out here and be disturbing my stuff. We don't want that now. Give these plenty of room, baby, so they can grow, grow, grow. been meaning to do this, but now that my bee situation, I think, has been under control now, I can do what I need to do. I want to say thank you again, Miss Gail, for sending me these beautiful shallots. I'm going to stick this one right here. I'm trying to get this garden together. We've had some crazy weather, so I'm trying to make sure that, all right, they look good. All right, now I'm going to take my little scissors and we're going to give these bad boys a haircut. Let me bring you up so you can see. And these are going to go into my dehydrator. So I'm just going to cut the tops off of here. Push these down a little bit more. Then I'll water them in. I don't want to take some of that energy off of them. Because I'm so excited, because if you guys haven't seen my video on my second dehydrator, you guys got to go check that out, because these are going to go straight into the dehydrator. And that way, they'll give a better chance of growing. There. Doesn't that look a lot better? They're not so big and tall. And I got a cute little viola. Look at that. Planted in there with them. So that's what it looks like, you guys. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So I have extended the life of my shallot so they can grow big and strong. And I'm going to take this one over here. Put it in its home. And then we're going to bring this one back up. And we're going to cut the tops off of these so I can get them into my dehydrator. Then I'll show you how many shallots tops I was able to get off of this plant. So let's give them a nice little haircut. Not too low, but everybody needs a good haircut every once in a while. So we gotta trim those. Alright. Alright, Miss Gail. I'm doing my best to keep these things going. Keep them nice and healthy. So there's the ones that Miss Gail sent me. Beautiful, huh? Gorgeous. Alright, guys, I'm going to water these in, and I am going to be bringing you another video because it's almost time. Look at these. Let me swing you around. Look at this. I just cut these onion tops, and they are my white onions, and they are ready for another haircut. So I'm going to go ahead and cut these off, and then I'm going to add them to my dehydrator. But this is how many of the shallot greens I was able to get just for those two bulbs that, remember I separated the bulbs out of those two pots. This is what I received, and they smell amazing. So dehydrator, here we come, baby. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead and cut off my onion tops on my other white onions, and I'm going to be adding them to my dehydrator as well. Alright, guys, take care.